Welcome guys, today I am with the Xiaomi 12 Lite and I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for this device. Okay, so first of all, when we are in the camera application, we can use the volume buttons that are located right here. When we click volume up, we can take photo with the 2 seconds delay, and the same with the volume down button. When you click and hold each button, you are going to record short video. You are also able to change function of these buttons by going to the settings, as you can see right here. We can pick to use them as a shutter or as the zoom feature, and take a look how it works right now. So when I press the volume up, I can zoom in, and volume down to zoom out. When we are about the zoom feature, we can zoom in and zoom out by using the standard buttons right here through presets, but when you click and hold already selected preset, we can unlock 5x and also the 10x and also the slider. You are also still able to use zoom by pinching screen with your 2 fingers. Next, when you click on the screen once, you can move the sun icon to decrease or increase the brightness level. You can also make it automatically by tapping on the screen once, so we can decide how to make it. When you click and hold your shutter, you are going to record a short video. When you tap in this place, you will enable the filters that change color and temperature. When you click in this place, we can find other functions, like for example, we can add delay to our shutter between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. We can add the grid lines. We can also take the timed burst. So when you enable this option and click on this small arrow right here in this place, you can set number of the photos that you want to take. So for example, you can get 200 photos, and each photo will be taken in 2 seconds. So click on the shutter and take a look. Right here we can find the number of the photos that your phone take, and below it's 2 seconds countdown. You can finish by tapping right here. If you want to find them, open the gallery, click in this place, click right here, and there it is. Next, we can move for the settings, where we can find, for example, the automatic night mode that I can recommend you to turn off, because in this smartphone you can also find the dedicated night mode that you can turn on whenever you want. So it's no big reason to turn it on in the standard photo mode automatically. When you scroll down, we can also enable the tap to take photo. It works like that. You can just click on the screen and the phone will take photo. Next, we are also able to disable the shutter sound, and you can also get the customize options. You can change color of already selected preset or activated mode. Next, we can open the more modes, and we can use the 108 megapixel mode. And let me just make comparison. So we can focus, for example, on this QR code, and let's do the same photo but with the standard photo mode. And we can try to make comparison. So let's see on the details. This photo was taken with the normal mode. It looks good. We can find some details right here, for example, or right here. But let's switch to the full HD mode. And as you can see right here, we can find definitely more details, and we can zoom in closer. So if you want to get more details on your photo, I can recommend you to use this 108 megapixel mode. And this phone, you can also find the dual video mode that allows you to record video at the same time from the rear camera, from the selfie and the rear camera. You are able to switch position of these cameras or just simply change the theme, so you can get the picture in the picture. There's also a few modes that are not available, so we have to download them by tapping on which that we want to get. Now just be patient and wait a little bit until the download will be finished. Okay, the clone is already available, so we can just click on it, and as you can see, we can clone people on the photos, videos, or we can freeze frame. It will be not the best example because there is nobody in my office, so I'm gonna just try to clone my hand. It's also working. There's also the description how to use this mode. So at the first we have to find our subject. That's my hand. We have to hold the device steady. Okay, as you can see, it disappears because that's why you should take it with someone else, because with the parts of the body it's not working. Okay, we did it, so let's finish. And as you can see, I just cloned my hand. Of course, it's not looking that good as you make it with someone in front of the camera, because we got right here some kind of the white bug in this place. I just moved my hand too quickly, but it basically just cloned the people on the photo. And there's also a very cool move, it's the movie effects. No, I mean, that was the vlog mode, yeah. This one is definitely one of the greatest extension that you can find in any phone. So we can get, like, for example, the travel mode. Click here to record. We have to hold our phone in this landscape mode, and let's quickly make a few shots. So right here in this mode you can find automatic transition, automatic music, and other cool effects. It also changed the color and the temperature in some presets. Let me show you how it works. Okay, right now we just have to hit this button and our phone will automatically like mix all of these videos, put the transitions and the music and other stuff, and just take a look on the preview. Yeah, so that's how it looks. There's a lot of different presets that I can recommend you to use. We can also try this one. We can do the same moves actually. Okay, the last clip was terrible. Let's try to get it on the phone. So as you can see in this case, the transitions looks definitely better, and they are like more. We are able to spot them, because on the memories it was like normal video without any transitions, but in the ActiVis we can find cool transitions, and it also in this mode also. Take a look. Okay, I can say then these transitions look really cool. So yeah, that was the vlog mode on the Xiaomi 12 Lite, and you can also use this movie effects. It looks very similar, but it's a little bit different. Like, you can just use like this parallel world mode. Just take a look. Okay, yeah, maybe it's not visible right now. Let me show you right now. So yeah, there's another cool thing to know that you have in the phone. And I guess that's all for the Xiaomi 12 Lite. That's my tips and tricks for this device. Let me know if comment if you know other tricks. That's all. See ya in the next video.